This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, November 3rd. Stock index futures trading sharply higher on very limited news, and it does look like this is a risk-on session as we are seeing some of the flight to quality commodities coming under some pressure. So stock index futures, very good gains, and I think once the political situation settles down a bit, markets will then be focusing, I believe, on the historically low interest rate environment that has been so supportive in recent years to the stock index futures. Moving over to the currencies, sharp declines for the dollar index as it appears that there may be some flight to quality long liquidation in the greenback. Also, we had the Reserve Bank of Australia in their policy meeting today lowering rates, and we have the Bank of England at their policy meeting on Thursday likely to add larger quantities to their quantitative easing program. Interest rate futures markets, flight to quality longs liquidated there as well, especially at the long end. I continue to believe that the short end futures will hold up very well, but the long end I think is very susceptible to lower prices, at least in the futures. So I would advise remaining spread long front end of the curve futures, short long end of the curve futures, especially the 30-year bonds. Also, the gold market trading sharply higher, silver higher as well, with the dominant influence, at least on a very short-term basis, being the dollar index. And of course, the dollar very weak and that very supportive to the precious metals. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADM, IS, or ADM.